Recording.
So this is my 1946 EL Knucklehead. Purchased it in 2022. Great bike, rebuilt motor, over 95% all original. Got it from a guy who had a shop in upstate New York. He'd had it since the mid-80s. Rebuilt the motor and trans and that on it. Rides like a dream. More comfortable than my Dyna. With a sprung seat on it. Great bike to ride. It's showing up 6,244 miles. I've put 4,800 on it. I think it had 1,600 on it when I got it. I don't think he bothered to, with the rebuild, rewind the speedo. Probably wasn't any point. And took it to my local bike shop here. And when we started it up and fired it up, smoke was pouring off of it everywhere. And I was looking at Joe, and he was looking at me, and I was looking at him and thinking, oh gosh, what's going on? But he said to me, he can smell it. And looking at it, that tells me that the oils and everything are just burning off the fresh motor. And yeah, sure enough, after a few minutes of it warming up, it stopped smoking. And the bike has been great. The motor is so quiet and smooth, gearbox smooth. She's a beauty, love it. Well, we go for a bit of a burn home on it, see how we go. So retard the spark, full throttle. I'll give it one prime, I've only been here for a little bit. Back the throttle off, open up the choke again. Hit the ignition, about quarter throttle, and voila, fired up, beautiful. Started up this morning, it's only about 10 degrees or so out here today, Celsius. Probably took about 8 or 10 primer kicks to get the bike going. But it fired up. It's always fired up for me. Yep, ride's bloody lovely. Anyway, I'll do a bit of a run down the hills later. See you later.